Hello there, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to buy apps in Play Store with your debit card. It's very easy things to do. For this, what you have to do, first open Play Store. Now, after opening your Play Store, you can search the app which you want to buy by tap on search button, or you can do another thing. There are another way to search it. Tap on go to game section, then tap on premium, and here you will see all premium games here. uh, for example, I am opening games which is has a paid version. Now what you have to do, tap on price icon here, then you will see an option add credit or debit card. If you already add your debit card, then you need to click on tap buy. But if you don't add your credit or debit card, just tap on it, and you have to put your card number and date and security code, and then tap on save card, and that's it. That's how you can buy apps in Play Store with debit card.